Hello guys. So a lot of people have been complaining about not being able to open a Stripe account. Now, if you've been trying to use any other means to open a Stripe account, don't do that. You can also use Wise. You can open an account with Wise. All of this can be done from the Luel platform. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Luel AI platform, click on the options tab at the top right corner and click on settings. Now, when you click on settings, you're going to come across the whole um, things like to view your earnings and to connect a payment platform. So when you want to connect your payment platform, I would advise you use Stripe. You can also use Wise if you want. Then put in your legal name. Your legal name, that is your first name and your last name. Okay. Once you've done that, click on continue setup. Now it is going to take you to the Stripe page itself where you would continue um your account creation. So at this point, you won't do anything, just wait for the page to load and then put in your email address in the field you can see there. So once you put in your email address, you're going to click on continue and it is going to take you to the next page where you have to put in your mobile number. Now you can see that US flag. Click on it and search for Nigeria. So Nigeria is +234. Look at it there, and then you put your phone number. This is the Stripe account you are creating. Okay, you're going to put in your mobile number, and then you're going to click on submit. Once you click on submit, you're going to be sent an OTP, a 6-digit OTP that you're going to input here. Okay, so once that OTP is sent, you will then connect it, and basically that is all you need to do. Do you understand? That is what you need to do. You can open an account as a Nigerian. Once you've imputed this 6 digit OTP, you're going to be brought to the next page where you have to talk about your business. Now, just choose individual and then click on the continue setup there. Once you've done this, you're going to be asked to put in your personal details. By personal details, I'm talking about your full legal name, okay? So your first name and your last name. So in your first name is your normal name, and your last name is your surname, like I always say. Now, under the website, they usually ask for the website. You can put Luel AI. Do you understand? In this case, I'm using my personal website here, and then I'm clicking on continue. Once you've done this, you'll be brought to the next stage where you have to put in your bank details. Now, if you want to put in your bank details, you need to have a US account. So that's a USD account. So you can register with Gray. If you've not registered with Gray, I would advise you register with Gray. If you have a Clever wallet, if you have a Gig Pay, whatever you can use to receive payments in USD, just connect it. So you are going to look for any of these. If you have a Chase Bank, if you have a Wells Fargo Bank, any of them, you're going to impute it. Now, if you're using something like Gray, for instance, I use Gray personally. So let's assume using Gray to do this. I'm going to click on enter bank details manually. So when you say enter bank details manually, you'd be asked to put in your account number and the router number. I'm going to explain all of this. I'm going to show you how it is done. So click on that and you'll be taken to the next page. All right, so this is my Gray account. Click on US dollars and you'll be brought to this page where you would find your account number and your routing number. Those are the only things you need. Just copy them and paste them, and then you can continue your registration. Once you've done that, you just need to confirm your details and it is going to link you back to Luel AI platform and it is going to connect successfully. That is the only thing you need. So this is how you can create a Stripe account. You can use a Wise account if you don't like Stripe. You can use a Wise account, but this is how you open the account. Kindly remember to give me a like, share this video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts. I'm going to see you in the next video. Until next time.